Expecting a bundle of joy? Maternity clothes can be pricey, but don't worry. You can create your own stylish and comfortable wardrobe with these easy DIY maternity clothes projects. Transform your favorite jeans into maternity pants with this simple side panel hack. Start by cutting the side seams of your jeans, leaving the waistband intact. Choose a stretchy fabric like jersey knit and cut 2 panels in the shape of triangles. Sew these panels into the side seams you've just cut. Voila! You've got a pair of maternity jeans that grow with you. Next up, the baby doll dress. This breezy style is perfect for your growing belly. Take a loose-fitting top and measure the length you'd like your dress to be. Attach a skirt made of a soft, flowing fabric such as chiffon to the bottom of the top. Gather the fabric slightly before sewing to create a flattering empire waist. This dress is not only comfortable but also versatile enough to wear post-pregnancy. For those days when you need a little extra support, a DIY belly band is a lifesaver. Cut a wide strip of stretch fabric, ensuring it's long enough to wrap around your waist. Sew the ends together to form a loop. Wear it over unbuttoned pants to keep them in place, or use it as a layering piece for added coverage. Creating your own maternity clothes is a fun and cost-effective way to stay comfortable and stylish during pregnancy. Give these projects a try and enjoy your personalized maternity wardrobe.